Hello, good day traders and welcome to Traders Guide. Actually, here in this section is where I come out to actually break down charts, actually call out trading opportunities in the forex market, in the crypto market, stock market. What I'm about to teach you, you can use it in any market, all right? This is not something that is stalking you to either forex, crypto, or whatever. This is a big secret I'm revealing to you, and I know it's going to bring a lot of havoc, a lot of problem, like a lot of eyes on me in the future. So I might be deleting this video. So take the chance of it right now. Make use of this opportunity and grab the knowledge. All right. First of all, I want to welcome you all to this section. Today, I'll be teaching you how to actually trade the market. All right, trade the market for exactly what it is. You don't have to complicate things. A lot of you beginners traders and even some pro traders still make this mistake. All right, they try to learn everything. No, the less you know, the better for you. Trust me, the less you know, the better for you in this market. Before I dive into my chart, I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this video. But first things first, the first thing you need to know when trading is you have to know your stuff, like know who you can trust in this game of trading. All right, it is not every trader you trust. All right, despite yes, we know what we are doing, we come out successful, we come out with profits, doesn't mean all of us know what we are doing. All right, you have to just know your craft, know it very well, and stick with what you know. Don't try to know everything. This is where a lot of people make mistake at the beginning. They try to know everything, which is wrong. All right, you don't try to know everything. Now let me quickly take you into this GBP USD chart and show you example of what I am saying. All right, so let's go. All right, we're in. So now this right here is GBP USD. All right, the best way you should trade, whether you're a swing trader, day trader, scalper, whatever you are as a trader, the first thing you want to do is to know what is the big traders saying. When I mean the big traders, the big brains. All right, what is the overall bias? What is the direction of the market? This is what you want to know as a trader. This is the most important thing you want to know, because when you know this, you know how to navigate your way through all the fake breakouts and all the fake outs in the market. All right, you know how to navigate your way through them. Now I'll quickly this is the monthly time frame. All right, now let me show you something. When you zoom out, this is the monthly time frame. This is a very simple chart. This is GBP USD. All right, now when you look at this market, you can tell that for months and years we have been on a downtrend. Just very simple basics. All right, now first things first, you have seen that we're on a downtrend. Now you have to look for your weekly time frame also to tell you chances of going down. Right, I'm going to make this video as fast as possible. You have to make sure your weekly time frame also is showing you down. I know this is freezing, but oh, come on. Okay, now the monthly has shown us down. The weekly also, let's go to the weekly and see weekly time frame. Aha, look at this situation now. To me, what this market look like forming is what I call the head and shoulder pattern that I'm looking at this market to form. All right, although we are not very sure yet, but I'm just looking at it to form the head and shoulder pattern, because this is the shoulder, head, all right, and this is the break of the neck. But it looks like the market is not ready to continue to downside. It's ready to go up a little bit, then continue coming down before finally coming down. All right, now you have to identify these patterns on the higher time frames. The reason why you have to identify these patterns on the higher time frames is because when these patterns have formed on a lower time frame, the market doesn't go a long run with it. All right, unless you are a scalper, you want to catch those small moves, and trust me, you might catch those small moves for some time. Before you know it, you start losing again. That's why you have to know what the overall market is saying. The monthly has shown us downtrend. The weekly is looking to form. This looks like a double top, right? But this high right here is higher than this high, so I won't actually call it a double top. So I'll be looking at this like a head and shoulder pattern. All right, I'll be looking for the market to pull back into somewhere around here on the weekly time frame. Yeah, somewhere around here. Maybe just a weekly retest to this place that will see the collapse. You get it? So that is it for the week. Now you go to your daily time frame and see what the market is doing on a daily time frame. Remember, monthly has shown us down, weekly is giving us signal for down. Now the daily has to also correspond, all right, has to correspond with what you are seeing. Now look at this. If you ask me, this is looking like a bullish engulfing candle here that has formed right here. All right, this is your daily time frame. Now please, what I'm teaching you, if you have not traded before, it might be complicated for you. This video may not be for you. If you want to learn about these chart patterns and all that, you can go to baby pips and other stuff to learn it. But what I'm teaching here, I'm going directly because I believe most of you watching this video have blown an account before and you really don't want to continue doing that. Now look at the daily time frame. It has formed a base here, like a support. All right, now what is this market forming? Let me show you just very simple. You see how clean my chart is. I don't have any moving average, blah blah blah. No, I don't have all of that. This right here is a bullish engulfing candle. Now for the coming days, I'm expecting maybe a slight pullback, then a breakout to this level. All right, when it breaks out, we'll be looking for a retest of this level also before jumping in. Now the entry strategy and all that, I may not be revealing them 100% to you. Please forgive me on that because that will be totally out of the game. All right, that will be totally out of the rules. um okay, now we'll be looking for a daily candle close above this red line, have a retest, then we buy this market all the way to this level, because what the daily is already showing us is a bullish engulfing candle. Yes, the weekly is saying, the monthly is saying down, the weekly is trying to form the down, which is the head and shoulder pattern like I told you. All right, yeah, it's trying to form the base like I told you. So um the daily time frame has to also correspond. Now if you don't want to catch this move to the upside, no problem. When the market gets to this level, what you'll be looking for is neither a candlestick pattern, a chart pattern on the same daily time frame. Now when you get that formation on the daily time frame at this key level right here, this key level, now I want you to know that support and resistance is not just a straight line, it's a zone. All right, that's why I see I'm using this rectangular shape to map out those levels. So when the market gets to this level, you need to see neither a candlestick formation like this. All right, I don't really know the name of this candlestick. I don't really pay attention. That is a shooting star or whatever. But once it forms right here at this stop, you should be looking to short this market back to this down and probably continue to the downside because the head and shoulder pattern is formed. All right, but don't look at this market to get here and break here and continue going up. Why? Because the monthly time frame is already telling us downwards. All right, so don't look at this market to break here and go up. The monthly time frame will always win. So I hope I've been able to impart some knowledge in you. Now I know you might say, well, this daily time frame and this higher time frame we're looking at is too like we're going to stay for a very long time before we trade. Guys, when the euro USD and when the GBP USD is not ready to move, there are other pairs to trade. This strategy works for all pairs, whether um, gold, metal, stock, commodities, whatever it is that you are trading, it works 100%. Head and shoulder pattern forms the same way on Forex, it forms the same way on crypto. It is just your ability to identify them and trade according to what you see. That is what gives you an edge in this market. All right, so I hope you guys have been able to grab some knowledge. Now when this market is not ready to move, you can leave GBP USD and go to other things. You can go to even oil. All right, you can go to oil and just try something out with oil. Let me see if I can just quickly point out something. On the monthly, anytime you enter into a chart, the first thing you want to look at is your monthly time frame. All right, it helps you a lot. It helps you a lot. Now I'm looking at crude oil to go up. Yes, really looking to go up because this is the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is in an uptrend. If you zoom out, if you look at it, the monthly time frame is in an uptrend. Look at it from here. When you look at this chart, you can see that the market is clearly going up. So whatever you'll be looking for is buying opportunities. This is an uptrend forming right here. All right, so whatever you're looking for is buying opportunities, but you just have to be careful. All right, just identify your chart patterns, on the higher time frame and go scale down to your lower time frame and see opportunities to take in that market. If that market is ranging, like let's say the monthly is ranging or the weekly is ranging, guys, leave that market and face something else. All right, leave that particular pair and face something else. But I hope I've been able to impart some knowledge into you. Like I said before, this same strategy can be used for any pair possible. Any pair you jump into, go to the higher time frame like the monthly time frame, identify the direction. The weekly time frame, you look for your chart patterns. Then on the daily, you look for the immediate trend. What is happening immediately? Is the chart pattern for the weekly time frame forming, or is it completely formed? Now the daily is forming the chart pattern to continue the downward. Whatever it is, once you identify this move, now you can scale down to your 4 hour, your 1 hour, and be looking for those small the 15-minute time frame. Like I execute on the 15-minute time frame because of the prop firms that I'll be trading with. All right, those lower time frame strategies work with these prop firms very well. Now, when you've identified your overall movement on the monthly, the weekly, you look for the chart patterns. Your daily, you look for immediate trend. What is happening immediately? What should we be looking to do? All right. Then on the 4 hour, you look for those chart patterns, maybe those little confirmations to just tell you, okay, now we're ready to move. Then you go down to your 15 minutes, look for that sweet entry and catch the overall move. All right. You don't need to be at the lower time frame all the time. No, your ability to scale from the higher time frame to the lower time frame is what gives you an edge in this market. Well, I hope I'll be able to impart some knowledge into you. Well, for the bonus of this video, if you are sticking with me to the end, well, it is for you to smash that subscribe button. Why? Because I won't be selling anything. All right, for now I'll be giving you everything for free. Somewhere in the future I might be selling. Yes, it is because when you become famous, let's say a lot of people have known you, then if you keep giving out this knowledge for free, they'll feel like, oh, he's trying to take away our students and stuff like that, which I don't want anybody coming after my neck. All right, so you have to just understand that. Now let's get this shit right. If it will require you to watch this video again and write it down: monthly direction, weekly chart patterns, daily immediate trend. All right, what is happening immediately? Does it correspond with the weekly time frame? If it doesn't correspond, why? What is it trying to form? Then the 4 hour for your confirmation or whatever. Then your 15 minutes, 1 hour for your executions. It helps very well. I'll be doing it more in more coming videos. So smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and let's keep this forex thing going. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Stay peace out.